Hey guys, so we are at a 1-bed flat in Stirchley, Heath. I'm just checking up on the renovation to see how it's getting on and to price up the flat as well. As you can see, a lot of work is being done, and this is going to be a brand new 1-bed flat. Hi guys, so if you don't know already, my name is Nguyen, and we let and manage really nice HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. We also renovate properties and help investors renovate properties as well. But in this situation, Sarah and Catherine are professionals, so they don't need any of our help here. But what we also do, and this is one of the sort of benefits of using a independent lettings agent who's also an investor, what we also do is we form a strategy with the lettings of upcoming properties to make sure, as an example, this one, which is currently being renovated, to minimize the void period. So for example, in this situation, I'm here now to get a gauge of how long this renovation is going to take, so that we know when the earliest move-in date would be, get sent to the space, price it up, and this way we can start planning the marketing of the property and also to attract the right tenant as well. And then what we can do is we can plan out the viewings and the marketing campaign, all that sort of stuff, so that we would have secured a really good tenant suitable for this particular property in this particular area, and that they'll move in most likely a week after the completion of the project. And what that does, that minimizes the void period, while at the same time not creating so much stress that if a project overruns, for example, that can create a lot of issues. So you do need a bit of experience and quite organized really. But in a situation like this, so if you've got a lettings agent who is independent, owns a sort of boutique business and is an investor, there, like myself as an example, are able to then help the landlord, the investor, plan out the marketing and the lettings so that the best tenant can be secured and they can move in as soon as the project is completed, and this should be pretty straightforward. All right, if you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. All right, see you.